honorable members, labor leaders, let me very respectfully stand on all you and these simple goals. Your Excellency, I have to start by thanking you for that very, very detailed elucidation of our position so that people know. And I thank the various speakers, including Senator Neda. He told you that after going to INEC, he came to visit me. And I said to him, brother, I've listened to you, but I'm also consulting. And I thank you. The governor said it. We consulted, to discuss. And I thank him because I know what he has gone through before we arrived at this stage. It is not as if we just spoke up and called a meeting and say, come here, you know my own position as well. I've been called out of name, not serious, not weak. People will say I should not present myself again because I'm not what you're voting. But I believe that we have to follow the process. And the governor, each time I come to him and say, please do this, please, and he did that. And when he says he goes through the law, or he does what is right, I believe him. Because I know he consulted and everything. So, we're not here, like he said, all we're doing here is to continue the exercise of building. We're not here to dissolve, we're not here to suspend or sack anybody. And like I always say, even in this new one we're doing, whatever we're going to do in future, everybody, including those who are not we're part of yesterday, can participate. Everybody is free. We're not asking anybody. We just want to do it properly. So if you're a chairman in a state, you want to contest again, we'll vote for you or vote against you, whichever one. We're not saying you're no longer qualified. It's just simple. It's just that we have to do it properly. That's what has been stated here. So I thank all of you, all of us that are gathered here. It's not going to be easy. Even after this meeting, we will still continue with meetings, reconciliations, everything. But we need to be on the right path. It is critical. It is better than on the right path than negotiating. Look at our election now coming up. We should be in a campaigning and selling our market, not having meetings with the party. And soon all of us, with what our government is doing here, we should be selling our market globally, not waiting and doing this. So we've resolved that we're going to move. And I know, let me thank the gubernatorial candidates. I'm sure what you've done is a work that by the time we finish, you just put it into your system and we'll conclude. Senior advocate, I think we have started the communique. All we need to separate the bits and pieces and you conclude. And we'll just read and go. So don't remove the communique. We're just going to give you ingredients you put in different parts and we'll move ahead. And we assure you we will do the right thing. And again, in going forward, I must appeal. In going forward, let everybody listen to this sacrifice. When we talk about, our dear governor have mentioned it, about the issue of caretaker, or issue of this. We're just trying to set up just a small committee that will help to do what we want, the right thing, which will be just a period of maybe 120 days. We want everything we're going to do to end as quickly as possible, so that we'll be able to know what we're doing. So we're not trying to set up another leadership. No, we're not trying to do this. It's just a system that will help to get to where we're going. That's what we want to do. Not another group that can become a problem for everybody. but a group that will solve the problem. And we want everybody to embrace this. That's what we want to do. So, for us, having been here, NLC, our parents, I love that, what Mama, I like what you said. What you said was very good. Mothers, parents must come from time to time to tell their children that they are doing well or not. I used to tell people that I had a principal who, for a time ago, who did not realize I'm a governor. So whenever I go to see him as governor, he hold my ear and said, I want you to listen to what I'm telling you now. I said, no, Father, I'm a governor now. He said, listen to what I'm telling you. What I don't know if you know. So he's sitting down. I said, okay. So I bend down in his old age. As friends, I will still hold my ear and be warning me. But that's because you never grow old where your parents are. So anyway, thank you for not allowing us to grow old. And remember, we are not trying to do the wrong thing. We are, like you said, we are trying to follow the law and do the right thing. And we're pleading to everybody who is listening to us and those who are here, those who are not here, we want everybody to come together. We want it to work. That is why we're doing this. And I thank all of you who are gathered here. The other ones, people know them. We're the only people who are trying to offer something different. But we must manage it. So we have carefully selected this team, which will encompass the names. You will see it, just like you were invited, precisely published in the media and everything. But we're going to say how carefully this representative, so that everybody will be accommodated. We have selected, of course, NLC, 3 members to be part of this. Similarly with 3UC, to be members of this. Senators, we have 3 senators to be part of it. House of Rep, 4 members. House of Assembly, we have about same number, 3 members. We have to have a representative from the Northeast, Northwest, North Central, Southwest. 4 candidates for the gubernatorial, former governors, as gubernatorial candidates. That is how this committee, you can say 29 committee, which, as you know, Caretaker does not have positions. We're only going to have chairman and secretary. The rest are people to coordinate. Remember, they have just work to do within a very short time. And we're sure we will ensure that everything is done properly. And this committee will be chaired by Senator Nenadi Usman. And the secretary will be Senator Darlington Nwokocha. That is what we want. I know that some of the people who are here will be surprised, especially Nenadi, but we wanted somebody who is neutral, woman, so you'll be kind to everybody. You know, woman for everybody. So we don't want more quarrel. We just want somebody. All we are saying is let things work. And we are pleading. And we continue to say we will continue to engage, serve, move on, but we will get things right and show an example of what things are supposed to be. That is what we're here. We're not here for any other thing other than what do we do to be able to move forward. Governor told you I went to INEC. Students have told you I went to INEC. And we have also seen what is happening to us. I think we're all in agreement. Yes. Thank you and God bless you.
I think he deserves a standing ovation, please.